Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to clear cache in Boo dating app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Boo dating app, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is where exactly can you get the Boo dating app from? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar type Boo and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Boo. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to clear cache in Boo dating app. Previously, there used to be a direct prompt or a direct command in the application that allows you to clear cache. But right now, as of 2024 June, you really cannot do that again. So if you want to clear the cache of your Boo dating app, you have to clear the cache in your phone settings. And I'm going to show you how to do that right away. Now, remember, this is unique to your phone. So that's also depending on your phone settings. So I'm going to open up my phone settings right here and I'm going to click on apps. So I'm in the apps and I'm going to click on all apps. So clicking on all apps is going to take me right into this window where I have to select the Boo app. So once I select Boo, I can now proceed with the on-screen instructions to clear the cache. So this is Boo. So I'm going to click on Boo and it takes me right into this window. So I'm going to click on storage and cache and it takes me into this window. So here I have clear storage, clear cache. I'm going to click on clear cache and you see the cache is going to be cleared. It has been cleared. Cache says 0B. So I can go all the way back and open my Boo and you see it's going to be refreshed with all cache cleared. Of course, clearing cache is debugging your application so that it can be free from bugs and you're going to have an easy navigation process. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.